How to assemble multipurpose shoe rack organizer. Take one base panel and connect the plastic connectors to it. Important: ensure the flat side of each connector is facing down to provide a stable base. Attach side panels vertically to the base with connectors on both ends of the side panels. Finally, close the unit by adding back panel to the back and another base panel to the top. Use hammer to secure all joints for added stability. Follow the same steps to assemble the remaining sections and build the complete rack. Once the structure is complete, install the door magnets onto the connectors as marked. Attach the doors by snapping them into the connectors securely. For the final touch, fix the metal hook onto one of the side square panels, ideal for hanging accessories like keys or umbrellas. Your Boxjoy 5 shelf shoe rack is now ready.